Hello students, welcome to Accounting Explained at Account.Wise Academy. This is Latha Venkateshwaran. Students, this is the second problem which we are going to do on bank reconciliation statement. This is also an important exam question. Today we are solving a problem where we will start with the favorable balance in the passbook. This is the question 2 which we are going to solve. The question is, prepare the bank reconciliation statement of Messrs. Madhu Traders as on March 31, 2024 from the following particulars. Balance as per passbook is 10,000. Bank collected a check of rupees 500 on behalf of Madhu Traders but wrongly credited to Messrs. Madhu Traders account. Instead of crediting to Madhu Traders, they have credited to Madhu Traders wrongly. Okay, the name are similar only but for the one letter R. Bank recorded cash deposit of rupees 1589 as 1598. Withdrawal column of the passbook is undercast by rupees 100. Point E. The credit balance of 1500 as per the passbook was recorded as a debit balance. Point F. The payment of check of rupees 350 was recorded twice in the passbook. The passbook showed a credit balance for a check of rupees 1000 deposited by Messrs. Madhu Traders. Instead of putting it to Madhu Traders, they have put to Madhu Traders wrongly. Okay. Before going to the solution, let me show you the difference between the cash book and the passbook so that you can solve the BRS very easily. Okay, this I have elaborately explained in my previous videos, part 1 and part 2. You can go through those videos for a better understanding. Now I'll give a brief explanation. Okay, so similarly on the left side is DR, CR for both cash book and passbook. In the cash book on the left side, all the receipts will be recorded. Receipts means all the income will be recorded, and on the CR side all the payments will be recorded, that is the expenses will be recorded. Okay, so but in the passbook it will be opposite of the cash book. On the CR side receipts will be recorded, that is the income will be recorded on the CR side, and on the DR side payments will be recorded, that is the expenses will be recorded. Both cash book and the passbook are like mirror images. If we debit in the cash book, it will be credited in the passbook. Similarly, vice versa. Okay, you have to understand one main difference. Cash book is prepared by us or by the company or any organization. Okay, whereas passbook is prepared by the bank, where we have opened the account or where we are maintaining the account. Now, let's come to the opening balance. If we say opening balance or favorable balance or positive balance in the cash book, then it will appear on the debit side. To balance brought down means debit balance or the favorable balance. Similarly, in the passbook where it will appear, I told you cash book and passbook are like mirror images or it is opposite to each other. Like that's what I told you, right? So here debit balance means favorable balance in cash passbook will appear on the credit side by balance brought down. That will be the credit balance. That credit balance will be the favorable balance in the passbook. So if you understand this, you can solve any BRS problem very easily and very quickly. Students, shall we solve the problem together? Rather than handling all transactions at once, we will solve them one by one. Okay, that is step by step. First, given us balance as per passbook is 10,000. Okay, so balance as per passbook means you have to take it as a favorable balance. What is the favorable balance in the passbook? It is the credit balance. Okay, so BRS heading is bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2024, and it has the columns of particulars, amount, additions one column, amount, deductions one column. Okay, so first we are writing first point C, credit balance as per passbook is rupees 10,000 on the addition side because it is a favorable balance. Okay, next what is the B point? B point is bank collected a check of rupees 500 on behalf of Madhu Traders but wrongly credited to Madhu Traders account. What is the company name? Our company name is Madhu Traders. Okay, instead of taking it to Madhu Traders, they have taken wrongly to the Madhu Traders. So in the passbook of Madhu Traders, there is no, so passbook, this is your passbook, no, on the left side is your payments, that is the debit side is your payments, credit side is your receipts. This you have to understand clearly. Okay, so instead of taking here this 500, they have taken to Madhu Traders. So this 500 is not returned or it does not reflect in the passbook. Okay, whereas in the cash book, what they would have done, they would have taken to the debit side, that is the receipt side, correctly 500. We are coming from passbook to find out the cash book. From the passbook, we are finding out the cash book balance. So this 500 is already entered in the cash book, but it is not entered in the passbook. So in order to find out the cash book balance, if we add that 500 only, then we will be able to get the cash book balance correctly. So the second point is check wrongly credited to another customer account rupees 500 under the additions column. Let's go to the point C. Bank recorded a cash deposit of 1589 as 1598. Okay, so this is your passbook. In the passbook, on the debit side is your payment. By now you should be knowing the difference between the cash book and the passbook properly. And on the CR side is the receipts. Instead of taking 1589, they have taken 1598. That is, they have taken, the difference between two is rupees 9. They have taken rupees 9 more. Okay, whereas in the cash book, they would have taken correctly only, this is your receipts, right, on the cash book. The both are like mirror image. Receipts on the DR and payments on the CR. In the cash book, they would have taken 1589 correctly. But in the receipts of the passbook side, what they have taken? They have taken 1598. So the difference of 9 rupees is more. If we deduct this 9 rupees correctly only, we will be able to get the cash book balance, as we are going from passbook to find out the cash book balance. So third point you see in the BRS, excess credit for cash deposit on the deduction side, rupees 9. Next we are going to do the point D. Point D is withdrawal column of the passbook is undercast by 100. Withdrawal column means payment column of the passbook. Undercast means it is returned rupees 100 rupees lesser. Okay, it is recorded 100 rupees lesser. First we will take the passbook. So passbook, on the left side what we will have? By this time you should be able to tell me payments. On the right side is your receipts. So on the payment side they have returned rupees 100 lesser. Okay, whereas in the cash book, on the left side is what? Receipts. On the right side is payments. I am writing this again and again so that you will grasp how will a passbook and the cash book will look, and without any confusion you will be able to solve the problem. Okay, in the cash book payment side rupees 100 is recorded correctly. Okay, now we are going to find out the cash book balance from the passbook, right? So if we deduct this 100 rupees only, we will get the cash book balance, as we have recorded the 100 rupees correctly in the cash book. Okay, so see the point 4 in the BRS. Undercasting of withdrawal column under the deduction side, rupees 100. Very important or interesting transaction. This type of transaction will definitely get in the BRS question. So listen properly. Students, let's see point E. The credit balance of rupees 1500 as per the passbook was recorded as a debit balance. So now we will take the passbook, DR, CR. DR is payment. I will write only P for payment or R for receipts. Okay. So credit balance of rupees 1500 as per the passbook is recorded as a debit balance. Credit balance means what? Of the passbook means it is receipts recorded as a payment. Debit balance means payment according to the passbook. Okay. So we have written the receipts as payments. Okay. Instead of adding, receipts is adding, no, and payment is deduction, expenses is deduction. Instead of adding, we have deducted rupees 1500. First we have to rectify that error. For that what we have to do? We have to add rupees 1500 to the receipt side. Okay. So that this 1500 and 1500 gets cancelled or nullified. Now we have to introduce this credit balance of 1500 as per the passbook, which has to be recorded. So we will record that 500 newly. So we will add again 1500 for this recording of 1500 which we have recorded wrongly. So in total we have to take 3000 to get the cash book balance correctly, because in the cash book we would have recorded on the receipt side 1500 correctly. So see the point number 5 in the BRS, error in carrying forward under the additions column, rupees 3000. Point F, the payment of a check of rupees 350 was recorded twice in the passbook. Okay, one payment was made and that was recorded twice. So first we will see our passbook. Passbook, on the left side is your DR and the right side is your CR. Similarly, on the left side is your payment and on the right side is receipts. This 350 you have deducted 2 times, but you should have deducted only once. Second deduction of 350 is incorrect. How will you cancel this deduction? By adding 350. If we add this 350 only, we will be able to get the cash book balance correctly. As in the cash book, we would have deducted only. So this is the left side is your right side, left side is your receipts and right side is your payment. We would have deducted only 350 once. Okay, so see the point number 6. Check recorded twice under the additions column, rupees 350. Students, we have come to the last point of the question. Point G. The passbook showed a credit balance for a check of rupees 1000 deposited by Messrs. Madhur Traders. What is our company name? Our company name is Madhu Traders. Okay, so in the passbook, first let us write the passbook. DR, CR, PR. We have a check deposit, that is a credit balance for a check of rupees 1000 deposited. On the receipt side, on the CR side, rupees 1000 has been recorded wrongly by the bank. They have taken the Madhur Traders check to our company Madhu Traders. Okay, so this is wrong recording by the bank. Okay, so if we deduct this 1000 rupees only, we will be able to get the cash book balance correctly. As in the cash book, this entry would not have got recorded. So see the point number 7, wrong credit under the deductions column, rupees 1000. See, we have come to the last part of the question where we have to find out the cash book balance. On seeing, we find out the addition side total is more. So we take that total 13,850 to both the sides, and when we deduct 900 and 1000 from 13,850, we get 12,741. That will be the debit balance as per cash book. If you would like to inquire about the online classes which I take or to get more worksheets, you can contact us at acc.wiseacademy@gmail.com.